Welcome to Attenderz, the perfect app for recording student attendance easily and efficiently. Today, we will walk you through how teachers can use Attenderz to record attendance for their students. Now, let's record attendance. As a teacher, you'll create a unique QR code for each lecture using the Attenderz app. Display the QR code where all students can see it. Students will then open the Attenderz app on their devices and click on the Scan QR button. Students simply scan the lecture QR code with their phones. They don't need internet access for this step. It is important that students must ensure to enable the GPS option on their devices and set the local time to use automatic date and time provided by the network. The record is saved locally on the student's device. When students regain internet access, they need to submit their previous attendance records. And that's it. Attendance is recorded seamlessly. With Attenderz, taking attendance is simple and efficient, even without constant internet access. Thank you for choosing Attenderz.